Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Tor browser. If you live in a country where some websites are restricted like right now if you are in Russia, so you can use this browser and then to check any websites that are blocked, or if you want to hide your IP address, and if you don't want someone to track you as well, crack your IP addresses, so you can use this browser and that called Tor. And now you can see I'm on the website right now, Tor project.org, Tor project.org. You can see here. All right, and then click on the download from download, and you got a Windows here, Mac, Linux, and Android platform as well. All right, and so what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to download for Windows. Okay, and you see it starts download, and it's gonna give you the browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. So you're gonna use that browser to navigate over the internet. All right, we are going to wait until screen is downloading, and it's we are gonna install it, and I'll show you how it works. Wait until screen is downloading. Okay, so it's done downloading. We are gonna to install it. And now you can choose your language. From here, click OK and click install. Okay, so done installing. Okay, so just remove that one. Okay, and so it's gonna add a start on your desktop shortcut on your desktop. I'm gonna show you run and click finish. Wait until you open this browser. Okay, so this is the Tor browser. Here, as you can see, this is on your desktop, and from here you have to click connect and select automatically connect, and then you can choose here always connect automatically, so you don't have to do the every time connect. Okay, and now click on the connect. All right, okay, now we are connected. So what we are going to do now, we are going to go on Google. Maybe let's try Google and see. Okay, as you can see here right now it is showing that in Ukraine. All right, but that's not true. I can choose any country I want. Let I'm on the Russia, and I'm in United States. Okay, so they want to me to sign in and just agree it. They want to me to sign in and just agree it. Now go to the setting option, and here you can choose any random country, whatever you want. Let's go to the Google News. As you can see here, Google News. As you can see here on Google News as internet, I'm in the C. Now it's showing that I'm in the US. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.